This is, or this was, a 1987 27-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. Those enthusiasts out there will know that the Outrage in these years were, in fact, a small cuddy cabin with an absolutely humongous super console in the middle. But right here, forward, was a cabin boat. We cut the cabin off and fabricated the classic curved forward gunnel of the original Outrage of the early 70s that the Metan Pelham Bay is based off of. And you'll see accents such as the teak slats, the back transom hatches, as well as modified reversible pilot seat and the well-known classic teak and holly center console. And all this is all part of making it Metan.